Hi, this is Nikhil Welankar. Today I would like to discuss about resume and portfolio. I often get queries from aspirants on how to write a resume or how to design a UX portfolio. So today I would like to share a few thoughts on the same. Let's talk about resume. Objective should be the first section where you can articulate your career objective in a couple of sentences. After objective, summary should be the next section where you can highlight your overall profile so that any senior executive or HR manager or hiring manager doesn't have time, then they can quickly get a glimpse of your overall profile by just looking at your summary. After summary, academics should be the next section where you can write your degrees, diplomas and certificates. After academics, technical skills can be the next section where you can write different software or hardware tools which you are familiar with. The next section can be professional work experience where you can write all your current as well as previous employment and roles and responsibilities and projects. If you have written research papers, white papers or article or case studies, you can also have a section called publications where you can mention all these intellectual contributions. If you are a member of different professional societies or groups, you can also have a section called professional memberships and you can write all your professional memberships there. There can be a section for awards and honors if you have received any award or honor or certification recently. There can be a section called references where you can write at least 3 industry references, senior leaders or experts who know you very well and who can acknowledge your work. At the end, you can have a section called personal details where you can write your email ID, phone number and other details. To summarize the discussion about resume, you can have various sections such as objective, summary, academics, technical skills, professional work experience, publications, professional memberships, awards and honors, references and personal details. Now let's discuss about UX portfolio. I've often seen candidates start their UX portfolio directly by having design artifacts or screens or graphics on their first slide, which is not really a good practice, to be honest. You should always have a couple of slides about introduction of your profile in the portfolio as well. After your profile introduction section, you can also have a section for highlighting your key achievements such as any significant leadership role played or any innovative initiative run in the current organization. After your profile introduction and key achievements, you can highlight 3 to 4 unique and challenging projects from your current or past experience. While showcasing UX projects in your portfolio, you should always adopt storytelling approach. It is very important that you tell an engaging and unique story for each of your project. You can highlight problem statements, initial brief given to you, business requirements, goal of the project, any background or historical work done before the project. Then you can highlight research, analysis and solution approach. You can also highlight overall project plan, roadmap, how you handled the project over the period of time, what was your team size, what was your own contribution and role in the project, which were some of the key challenges in the project and how you have addressed them. You can also highlight before and after state of the particular project. For example, what was the application or product before and what was the application or product after your contribution. You can highlight ROI, key performance indicators, business metrics and any success factors to prove your value. For example, how much time saved per task per user, how many errors fixed, how the efficiency was improved. You can also highlight any appreciation received for that particular project. Once you highlight 3 to 4 challenging and important projects in your portfolio, you can have a section called testimonials where you can highlight some of the awards or appreciations or any certificates received for your contribution. At the end, you can also have a section for highlighting extracurricular activities or hobbies apart from your work, which can also show your talent such as singing or painting or writing. So just to summarize portfolio discussion, you should always have an introductory slide introducing your profile. Then you should have a couple of slides highlighting your key achievements. Then you should have 3 to 4 very challenging and unique projects from your current or past employment. Then you can have section for testimonials, and at the end you can also have a section for hobbies or extracurricular activities. Hope this podcast will help you to write your resume and to design your UX portfolio. Wish you all the best. Thanks for watching this podcast.